Welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we're putting your knowledge to the test with a 35-question tense MCQ quiz. Ready to see how well you know your tenses? Let's jump right in. 1. Identify the correct sentence. She eats pizza every day. Tips: in present simple, eat changes to eats with third-person singular subjects. 2. Which sentence is in past perfect tense? I had finished my homework. Tips: past perfect is formed using had plus past participle. 3. What is the correct negative form of she sings well? She doesn't sing well. Tips: in negative sentences, doesn't is used with the base verb. 4. Choose the correct sentence. I have never been to Paris. Tips: the correct form is present perfect with have or has plus past participle. 5. Which sentence is in the past continuous tense? I was cooking dinner. Tips: past continuous is formed with was or were plus verb ing. 6. What is the correct question form of you are studying English? Are you studying English? Tips: in questions, invert the subject and the auxiliary verb. 7. Choose the correct sentence. They had gone to the store. Tips: past perfect tense uses had plus past participle. 8. Which sentence uses the correct future perfect tense? By 5 o'clock, I will have finished my work. Tips: future perfect tense uses will have plus past participle. 9. Choose the correct negative form of they are playing football. They are not playing football. Tips: negative sentences in present continuous use am or is or are plus not plus verb ing. 10. Which of these is the correct future continuous form? I will be studying tomorrow. Tips: future continuous uses will be plus verb ing. 11. Which sentence is in present perfect tense? She has read the book. Tips: present perfect uses have slash has plus past participle. 12. Identify the correct sentence. She likes coffee. Tips: third-person singular subjects take likes in present simple. 13. Which of these sentences is in the simple past tense? She read a book. Tips: the simple past tense is formed by the second form of the verb. 14. Which sentence is in past continuous tense? They were watching a movie. Tips: past continuous uses was slash were plus verb ing. 15th. What is the correct form? By the time you arrive, I already left. Will have. Tips: use future perfect for actions completed by a future time. 16th. By next year, a new car. Will have bought. Tip: use future perfect to show an action completed by a specific future time. 17. We dinner when the phone rang. Were eating. Tips: past continuous is used for actions happening at a specific moment in the past. 18. What is the correct form? Here for 2 hours. Has been. Tips: use present perfect continuous to express duration with has/have been. 19. What is the correct form? They living in London since 2010. Have been. Tip: use have or has been plus verb ing for actions that began in the past and continue now. 20. Which sentence is in the future tense? I will read a book. Tips: the future tense is formed with will plus base verb. 21. Which sentence is in present perfect continuous tense? I have been studying. Tips: present perfect continuous uses have or has been plus verb ing. 22nd. Choose the correct form, she, for an hour when I called her. Was running. Tips: the past continuous tense is used for actions in progress in the past. 23. What is the correct form of the verb? I to the store every Saturday. Go. Tips: the correct verb form is the base form after I. 24. By the time you arrive, my work. Will have finished. Tips: use future perfect for actions completed before a future event. 25. Him for the last 5 years. Have known. Tips: use present perfect for actions that began in the past and still continue. 26. His homework before I called him. Had finished. Tips: use past perfect for actions completed before another past action. 27. A book when the lights went out. Was reading. Tips: use past continuous for ongoing past actions interrupted by another event. 28. We. For an hour when she finally arrived. Had waited. Tips: use past perfect for actions completed before another past action. 29. My homework already. Have done. Tips: use present perfect for completed actions connected to the present. 30. By the time we reach the train. Will have left. Tips: future perfect tense for actions completed before a certain future time. 31st. She. A letter when I visited her. Was writing. Tips: past continuous for actions happening at a particular moment in the past. 32. They. In London for 5 years before moving to Paris. Had lived. Tips: use past perfect for actions that happened before another past event. 33. She insisted that he. The truth to his parents. Tell. Tips: use the subjunctive mood after insist, requiring the base form of the verb. 34. They are. To the cinema tonight. Going. Tips: correct use of present continuous to talk about future plans. 35. Which sentence is in the past simple tense? She read a book. Tips: past simple expresses a completed action in the past. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to hit like, drop your answers in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to Next Level English for more fun and challenging content. See you in the next video.